In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to share your Facebook posts in multiple languages. Sharing your posts in various languages can significantly expand your reach and engagement. To get started, open your Facebook app and go to your homepage. Tap on the menu button, then click on the settings icon in the upper right corner of your screen. Scroll down to the Preferences section and select Language and Region. On this page, tap on the option that says Share your post in multiple languages. Make sure to enable this feature. When turned on, anyone who views your Facebook post will see it in the language they have set for their Facebook account. For example, if you post in English and someone in France views your post, it will automatically be translated into French for them. This feature not only enhances your brand's reputation, but also improves its credibility by making your content more accessible to a global audience. That's how easy it is to enable multilingual sharing on your Facebook posts. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.